What's up, everyone? Pat from Shed Built, Dirty Water Racing here. Big update. If you haven't seen on the Shed Built Facebook page or Instagram page, we have supplies to do Hellcat fuel pump swaps. If you see over here, we got some drain lines for the drains, some supply lines. We got pumps. We have baskets. We have everything we need over there to make the rest of the pumps, and we are a go. Now let me say, I apologize in advance for the delay, but hey, it's a pandemic. What am I going to do? If you are waiting for one, get on them. There will be 4 Mazdaspeed 3 pumps and 1 Mazdaspeed 6 pump. So I highly suggest, if you are waiting for one, that you watch and wait, and on the first week of January, at some point in that week, when we release them, you get on it. It'll be first come, first serve. We are not holding pumps for anyone. Once we release them, once people come on and they purchase one, that's it. It's theirs. And then maybe in the future we'll do some more. We're not really sure yet, but that's what we're doing for now. Also, fuel hoses. We're going to be doing fuel hoses again. I got tons of supplies. 50, 60 feet of hose in about 5 different colors of fittings, and they're just sitting in a box, not assembling themselves. So we are going to start making fuel lines again. If you're looking for a Mazdaspeed 3 or Mazdaspeed 6 supply, stock supply, or return line replacement, so that's a supply line from the firewall to the high pressure fuel pump, or the return, which is from the fuel rail, fuel pressure relief valve, to the fuel pump. Those are the lines we make. We do not make port injection lines. We do not make port injection kits. We do not make it as a part of a port injection kit. If you wanted to add a port injection kit later in the future, you can do that. But that's not what this kit's for. This is solely a replacement for your OEM brittle lines that always fall apart and that you always lose the clips on. Pumps, 4 Mazdaspeed 3, 1 Mazdaspeed 6. The first week of January, they'll be coming out. First come, first serve. Mazdaspeed 3 pumps are $450 with a $100 core charge. The 6 pumps, because it uses a little more components, is $550 with a $100 core charge. Now, the core charge. If you have a core to replace the new one that we send you, send it to us. Once we deem that you sent us a good core, not a core that's in a million pieces, we will refund you, gift $100, tax-free. So, got a basket, send it to us to replace the basket we sent you, you get $100 back. So then it's $350 and $450. That works out for everyone. Until we release the pumps, keep an eye out.